In today's video, we will look at how to track the progress of a release in StarTeam Agile. The release tracking page is an important resource for project managers and product owners who want an overview of how their release is progressing. The release tracking page offers three main features. These include release progress bar, which indicates the number of story points completed, started, not started, or blocked for release. The release burn-up chart tracks the amount of work that has to be done in a release by sprint. And the release breakdown, which includes all of the stories targeted for the release separated by story type and in hierarchical order. So this is the tracking page in StarTeam Agile. Here you can see all three features: release progress, release burn-up, and release breakdown. Firstly, I will show you the release progress, which is this progress bar here. Green indicates completed, yellow indicates started, red indicates blocked, and grey indicates that the story has not yet started. And here we can see that most of the stories in this particular release have been completed. And then the ideal complete arrow will be red if you're behind, yellow if you're slightly off, and green if you're keeping up on track. So here we can also see some extra information: when the release started, release end date, days into the release, points completed, average completed per day, days left of the release, and points left to complete. This is a wee bit outdated, as this is an old project that I'm using. The release burn-up chart allows product owners and product managers to visually see the velocity on which the team are working at. So here we can see that an estimated 125 story points should have possibly been completed at this stage. However, there was only 89 points completed. So here we can actually see that the team had too many stories to work on at this time, and this will help with sprint planning at the next stage. The release breakdown includes all of the stories targeted for this release, and these are separated by story type. So here we can see in this particular release we had 94 points worth of stories, and if I just expand this, you will see every story that's being completed, started, not yet started. This icon indicated that it came off from an info stream, points assigned, what sprint it was in, and the percentage complete. And this will also be the same for the defects and the technical to-dos, but at this stage we have none of them within our release. So to recap what we've done today, we demonstrated the release tracking page and its three main features, which are the release progress bar, the release burn-up chart, and the release breakdown. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.